guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Gordon.
And today we'll be doing something adorably cute. We will be dressing Gray up for Halloween.
And we'll be doing a little bit of a kitty fashion show.
It'll be adorable. Please watch the whole video. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell. And comment down below what you thought of these costumes.
Like and subscribe. And on we go.
Okay, so I have a bag here of these costumes. So we'll explain a little bit about these costumes. So I just got like this thing was like a set of 3 costumes on Amazon. This is like a cape. Gordon has like spider legs, and this is like bat wings. We tried them on her like when we got them back in September, and she really didn't care much about it. Like, she was okay with it because I guess they all feel like her halter for when we take her out for a walk.
But yeah.
So let's show off the first one, the spider costume. Gray.
And our cat, who is right here. Come here, boo. It's okay. Come here.
I need you. Oh my goodness.
There we go. There's a good girl.
I need you to face me, baby.
Come here. There. There we go. And is there another one?
Yes, it goes around her belly. Gordon.
It's tangled.
Gray.
You need to stand up,
I
please.
need you. Oh my god, did you gain weight since we put these on you?
Well, maybe.
So, here's the first one. Our cat spider.
Spider cat.
Spider cat does whatever a spider cat does. Climbs a wall and shoots a web.
Does whatever, because she can. Look out, here comes the spider cat.
Gordon's just getting a photo.
Oh, am I? Okay, photo it
I
is.
thought you were.
Kitty. Okay, I think I got that. We were thinking we should have also gotten her maybe a burrito costume. That way she could be a burrito.
Haha! Alright.
Speaking of haha.
I need you, Gray.
Try not to choke her.
Count Catula!
Yes. Kitties. Way to go, girl. Here you go. Rawr, rawr, rawr.
She wants to suck your blood.
She wants to suck your blood and be adorable. Okay.
And last, but certainly not least.
Oh, she thinks we're done.
One more, Gray. Here, would you like some help?
Yeah. Here, I gotta make sure the cat doesn't squirm away on us. It's okay. It's okay. I'm scratching our table. Okay. Is that the right way? Yes.
Please cooperate. It's the last one.
There we go.
It's a bat cat.
Bat cat.
Bat cat.
Well, then she's good then. She's getting frustrated.
Well, anyways, we really hope you enjoyed this little short vlog, little costume try on.
All right.
Comment down below what you thought of all the costumes, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you. Bye-bye. What do you think, Gray Gray? Spooky. So, Gray Gray, what did you think of your debut? You don't care? Oh, hey. Gray Gray, what's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, is it? Hi, kitten.